welcome back to my channel, and today I have a spring or Easter DIY coming from the Dollar Tree. Almost all of it except one small thing is from Walmart. So let me show you what you'll need in case you want to make this project. I saw this and I thought, oh, I want to go ahead and move this up further in my list of videos because it's going to be so cute, and I don't want you to miss being able to buy this. So I wanted to do this early. What you're going to need is you're going to need one of these little, this is what came from Walmart. It's like a bird cage where you can put a little candle in there, and it was $2.98. And it has a little bird on the top with a ring, and what we're going to do is put it on some candle holders from Dollar Tree. So you're going to need 2 candle holders, and then you're going to need some Rust-Oleum American Accents in the Gloss Ocean Mist. And I have used this before, and I think it really does match pretty closely to this. I think it's going to give a really nice look. And then you're going to need just one of these little votive candle holders from Dollar Tree. And then I may or may not use some of these little baby's breath and these little flowers from Dollar Tree. And you're going to need a glue gun. It's going to be so simple. So like I said, I sprayed both candle holders with this ocean mist, and I really do love the effect that it gives. And it is the gloss. Okay, so this is going to be quick. And they had, I think, maybe a peach one, but I wanted to get the green because I thought it looked very calming. So that's the one I wanted. And then I'm going to look at these candle holders and see how I want to put it. So I think I'm going to do it like this. This is so simple. And then you just put some glue on the top. Now, like I always say, I just use glue because I know I can tear mine apart, and nobody really touches it a lot. But if it's going to be touched a lot, you want to use the Fix-All adhesive from the Dollar Tree, or some super glue, or like E6000, or you can use a combination of this to hold it while the other glue is setting up. Okay, so all we're going to do is line this up right like this, how we want it, and then press down on it. This is going to be so easy but so cute. Okay, next what we're going to do is just put this right on top. I think I may put it, okay, so I'm just going to put some glue on this. And like I said, if it's going to be touched or handled, definitely put that super glue on there. And then, as best you can, try to get this like you want it. And just press it down. And you can see it's already adorable. You really would not know that that wasn't bought together. Then we're going to turn on our little candle holder and stick it in there, and it fits perfectly. Now you could leave it alone like that, and that would be really, really pretty. Okay, now what I'm thinking about doing is just gluing this right around that edge to give it a really cute little effect. And if for some reason I don't like it, I can always take it off. But I want it to just look springy and just happy and adorable, basically. And try not to get my finger. So that's basically what we're getting, and I think it's really pretty. And a matter of fact, that would even be pretty for a wedding. So I'm going to go ahead and glue these all the way around, and I'll be back. Okay guys, here it is. It's finished. I think it is absolutely precious. I really do love it. And it's so easy. All I did is like I showed you, I went around and I kept gluing and gluing and then just filling it in, and I wanted it to be taller in the back and come down towards the front. And I think it is beautiful. It is so, so pretty. Let me find the front here. Yeah, here's the front. But you can see it is so cute. And like I said, it would be beautiful for a wedding, but I just wanted some spring decor, and this could take me right in through summer. I just think it's lovely. And if you would see this at a store, I know you'd spend a lot more money than what I have in this. So I'm going to go put it somewhere in my house. I don't know if that's where it's going to stay because I'm not through making all my DIYs, but I'll show you what it looks like. I'll be right back. I have it in my entryway, and I moved this little thing that I made and put it there, and I put my bigger one down there. I think it looks better, but I'm going to move this rabbit right here. But here it is. It just looks so precious. It's so pretty from every angle. I just love it. It just looks so peaceful and serene and just really kind of elegant. I love it. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.